Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is different. Somebody pointed me to this South African based trader. Is apparently a billionaire trader based in South Africa. To be honest, I did not come across him until somebody mentioned, hey, do you know this guy called is it D Operandi or stuff like that? This video is not in any way meant to diss him or to promote him or to do anything like that. It's just that somebody asked me, hey, what do you think about this guy? And I'm like, which guy? And I'm like, no, go and check him out on Instagram. On his Instagram, he posts a lot about his trades, and I must admit, he does have a crazy trading style. For example, here he's taking 10,000 USD to more than 15 million USD. Like, wow, like crazy stuff, interesting stuff. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our future videos. See the links in the description box below if you are looking to download free forex robots, free trading courses, free trading books. Everything that we do on this channel is for free, and the links are in the description box below. If you're wondering about the broker that I use, see also the links in the description box below. Okay, so getting back to our video. So this is my first time actually encountering this trader. I will get into whether what do I think, because somebody said, what do you think? So yeah, first of all, yeah, it does have an interesting trading strategy. For example, here he's taking what, $100 into what is that, 49 million? Is that 49 million USD? That's 49 million USD from $100. Okay, yes, it does say 100 USD to 50 million USD. Wow, impressive. Let's see what he has here. 76 AUD into 1700 AUD, small account. I saw one interesting screenshot. Let's see an interesting screenshot that I saw. Like I said, guys, I'm not trying to promote this guy, or I'm not trying to diss him or anything like that, because I see he has got like a track record. If you want to put it that way, he's posting all his results on his Instagram. I don't know whether they are photoshopped or whether they have been faked or stuff like that. I leave that up to you, but he's trying to show a track record also on Instagram. So here he's taking what, 100 USD into 10 million USD. Crazy trades. I mean, I would like to know his secret. Personally, I would like to know his secret. How is he doing it? I thought I saw a screenshot where he had something in like a billion South African rand. Where is that screenshot? That was very interesting to me. Like, wow, I didn't know somebody could do that. A billion. If he does that, then it's probably, yes, I think it's this one. So in this one, he basically took 10,000 South African rand to more than a billion South African rands. Guys, crazy. 10,000 rand, if you don't know, if you are not in South Africa, it's basically less than 1,000 USD. And then you take it to what's 1 billion rands in USD. maybe more than 100 million or some crazy number like that, from less than 1,000 USD to more than 100 million USD, something like that. So yeah, crazy, but certainly I think this might be demo accounts again. You feel free to comment in the comment section below and tell me if you're a student of his, and maybe if you have traded his strategy. But I am assuming some of these screenshots are from demo accounts. That's my assumption. Again, I'm not trying to diss him. Going through his Instagram feed, basically you can understand that maybe he does have a good trading strategy. If you look at this, is 1,000 South African rand into what? From 1,500 South African rand into more than 8.7 billion rands. Now this is crazy. Now this is just crazy. But in any case, I'm assuming these are demo accounts. I'm not trying to diss him, but I'm assuming these are demo accounts. But where I want to get with the video is that I know people want me or maybe people expect me to diss him or stuff like that. No guys, if he is able to do what he's doing here with his feed, if he's not photoshopping anything, that's where the if is. If he's not photoshopping anything and he's able to do this even on a demo account, guys, it means he has something that works. I know people will rush to just diss somebody. That's a demo, that's this, that's that. If somebody is able to show results on a demo account, I'm convinced that person, there is an 80%, 75%, 80%, 85%, 90% chance that they can do those same results on a real trading account. I'm not saying 100% chance, because we know sometimes people take so much risk because it's a demo account, then they will show it off. But when you are trading real money, then people will never risk the amount of money that they will risk on fake money, the demo account, on a real trading account. So, but if these are the results that is able to do with a demo account, then I believe there is a chance for him to be able to actually do the same thing on a real live trading account. That would be my 2 cents on that. Whether he's really actually making billions in rands in trading, that one, yeah, I'm not so sure. I will say it's probably a demo account, but the key thing is proof of concept. That's the key thing. The key thing is he has a good trading strategy, or he has a good trading style, or he knows how to trade somehow. If the results that he's posting on his feed here are not photoshopped, if they are photoshopped, then definitely he doesn't know how to trade and he's just showing off. But if these are real demo results, then it means he has a proof of concept. Then it certainly makes him a good trader in my books, because he's got a good concept, a good strategy, a good trading style that is using to generate these results, even on a demo account. Sometimes it doesn't really matter whether somebody is using a demo account or a real account. If somebody has something that's working, then that thing is working. Of course, we can diss the person, that's the demo account, you can't withdraw that money and stuff like that. But for me, the key thing is proof of concept. It means that person has a strategy that if they use it on a real life trading account, probably 80%, 75%, I don't know if you want to go down to 60% of the time, it's probably a good strategy that they can use to make money with a real life trading account. So yeah, I don't know what you think about this. Some crazy trades. Some crazy trades that this guy is showing off. Yeah, I don't know. It's actually my first time to come across his timeline. Somebody just referred me to this. I'm like, hey, go and check out this trader who is making these billions in trading. Yeah, if he's making billions in trading in real life trading accounts, then it's probably not going to need these Zoom sessions with mentorships and stuff like that. Then it's probably not going to need to do any mentorship, because if you've got something that makes billions, I know many of us would want to keep it a secret. So I don't think he would want to share it with the world. So, but that does not mean that he's a bad trader or that his trading strategy is bad. If he can prove it on demo, then he probably can use it on a real life trading account. The point of demo in any case is so that you can test out things. Tell me what you think about this. Leave your comments in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.